Hello, beautiful vocalists. Welcome. I am Tielle Baker, and we are going to be doing solfeggio warm-up number 2. Let's dive in. So here is our major scale in solfeggio. We start with C. Let's sing them on note names. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Good. Now let's sing them on solfeggio names, starting with Do. Here we go. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Brilliant. Let's do it on numbers. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. So the C on the bottom and the C on the top, from middle C to high C, that is called an octave. Hear how it is. The same note, octave, sing octave. Ready? Octave. Lovely. So we're going to sing ascending, which means going up, like your flight is now ascending to altitude of, okay, so we're going to go up. 2, ready, sing. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. All right, one time with you. 2, you go. Beautiful. One more time together. And do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Lovely. Now we're going to descend, which means going down. So we're going to start on the top Do. Ready together? Ready, breath. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. On your own. Ready, breath. Beautiful. All right, so moving on to the solfeggio skip and jump. We are doing the speedy version. And so we have, let's all sing together. 1, 2, ready, breath. Do, breath. Do, re, do, breath. Do, mi, do, breath. Do, fa, do, breath. Do, sol, do, breath. Do, la, do, breath. Do, ti, do, breath. Do, do, do. Now descending. Starting at the top, ready and do. Do, ti, do. Do, la, do. Do, sol, do. Do, fa, do. Do, mi, do. Do, re, do. Do, do, do. Wonderful. Here is a new exercise for everybody. It is the triad solfeggio exercise. So this is ascending. So a triad is 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. Sing that with me. And 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. All right, here we go. Follow along. 1, 2, ready, breath. Do, mi, sol, mi, do, breath. Re, fa, la, fa, re, and mi, sol, ti, sol, mi, breath. Fa, la, do, la, fa, breath. Sol, ti, re, ti, sol, la, do, mi, do, la, ti, re, fa, re, ti, do. Lovely. Let's do that again. Starting at Do. 1, 2, ready, and do, mi, sol, mi, do. Re, fa, la, fa, re. Mi, sol, ti, sol, mi. Fa, la, do, la, fa. Sol, ti, re, ti, sol. La, do, mi, do, la. Ti, re, fa, re, ti, do. Good, now your turn. 2, ready, start with Do. Re. Mi, breath. Fa. Sol. La, breath. T, breath. Do. Good. Now we're going to do the descending going down, starting on this do. 1, 2, together we go. Do, la, fa, la, do. Ti, sol, mi, sol, ti. La, fa, re, fa, la. Sol, mi, do, mi, sol. Fa, re, ti, re, fa. Mi, do, la, do, mi. Re, ti, sol, ti, re, do. Wonderful. So now I'd like you to try it. Starting in this do. 1, 2, ready, breath. T, breath. La. Sol, breath. Fa, breath. Mi, re, breath. Do. Wonderful. All right. Great job, everybody. Thank you so much. If you liked this video, go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this, and like this video and let me know in the comments what you think of this. What's your favorite part? What do you want to see more of? Awesome. Great. Happy singing, everyone.